And a special voting course we security personnel and some very important personalities. Omode omo aba ahihye so before December 7th. Only say Saturday we ne beto aba. Na ya na say security for no bambo fo be di kan ato. Sanse on the day of election no omo nyina ntimi nkan wo sanse omo na ebobo ban. Nti ya na e wo so omo no di kan to. Ansana timamifo ye nyina no yaka abom ato. Nti enne na ekoso. Na de ani aba ho kese eye ayawa so West Wogon eno no ewo enkran pumpuni mantemu. Sabra me no kasai de abatuo no ekoso anu mu na yehunu se aduane chebi ekoso a eye ma Lydia Alhasan eye current MP one ni team na chese omo che aduane ewo kiu na ya san ye de eko akwakoto aba no mi hu ye no ma nwene anko till a trace anko focus there be etiamra se nipa ni gina kiu no mu no wo de aduane ma na ebetim kura ma na adwena sesa you know ebetim ma na adwena sesa na emom so okoto aba ni wie no oba na ma na aduane dia eno de enye problem kra na in fact concerns be brain na so na opponent na so a raise se sa ne ma na ekoso no omo mpesa ye ni kan kohwe wa bra na aduane che no na ekoso no yo begidi se wankasa ohun ye ma Lydia ne ni team na ohun se no omo abegina hoyi ebinum aba ha ache ti bi ekom bi bede omo nsukom bi bede omo eno nti ma menhwe na memfa yie entu ya na oma wonu mu nsuo ni aduane ya no knowing se na etia emra no se obi gina kiu mu ekoto aba na oma no aduane na ebasa wanhwa na akwa ha adwen pa na said maker no on say NDC MPP ma Lydia Alhasan no MPP and John Dumelo and so NDC me remfi say last elections I acquired 2020 John Dumelo ejina with the same impesuano so Emma Olusi election no edema ma Lydia Alhasan nkofo bebre na ejabi no social media so this time around the John said any abre ti wa bra John hu sa niema na ekoso no John so ababonti abeka say no we dey enye na say oka say wo che na sianso afiri ase say ye cha edie ne besie nti omunyai sa niema na omo eye no John Dumelo akasa yenko na yentie ensema John Dumelo nso ekai.
And you are sharing food and we don't even know what is in the thing and you are sharing it to the people who have not voted yet. What kind of stupidity is this? Why they think we can't do it? We can do the same and even worse. They should even try us all. Yo, allow microphone to abano omo 2 we are. Idea opesa oye mo. That's fine. But not when they are in the queue. I feel number 2 but now opesa o chichenya mama. Ade ye to me the same thing ana. Me to me the same thing no. So Lydia should respect the rules of the Electoral Commission. Because we will not tolerate such nonsense here in our West Wogon. You're very west. Why are you sharing food to people in the queue? Why are you doing that? Why we can't share? We can share. If they want me to share, I also share the same. But let's respect the rules of the Electoral Commission. Don't share anything to the people in the queue who have not voted yet. and you are sharing food and we don't even know what is in the thing, and you are sharing it to the people who have not voted yet. What kind of stupidity is this? Well, they think we can't do it. We can do the same and even worse. They shouldn't even try us.
Mejidi se wati ensama John Dumelo nso kan ya wo chire mu se saade na ekoso ne de in fact ha adwen pa na whoever is behind it no onyai saade no because se omu fiase so omu ye na omu nso ka so omu ye bia anhwa de basa basa ani hoyo na ede ebebe nti aduane chane de o se enya kra na afen so aduane no kra de ne wo ma de komo obi adi edi na wa aduane no ma de komo obi adi asema John Dumelo nso ene question na obusan asema wo ka se moma yenyai saade no na ebasa emwa omo wo ho ni bi nso omo nso hu ne se ade na ekoso ne very bad no nso I express concern.
Patrol Lydia Alhasan, who so lose elections on the grounds for Nankasa who so lose elections. Yanka say member voters aduane in every elections your aduane your issue it is allowed to give. But in this situation, not when people are in the queue going to vote and then you give them food in the line or in the queue. What are you trying to say? In bags, and then she will hug you, put her hand around your shoulders and give you money secretly. She'll go in, people vote, take snap pictures of their ballot, take it to the back of the police station, and then she gives them money. We've seen it. We've alerted the EC officials, but they are not adhering to them because most of them are on their side. Majority of them are on their side. So I have actually alerted the police. He's the one going over there to stop the lady. Ultimately, no one can be home. He has gone there to stop the lady. So I'm hoping and praying that it will stop. Because if it repeats itself, it might go worse. Oh, yeah, what evidence? And your bags now could our lines. No, that is what we want to get now round. So that is why I'm asking. That's how I've alerted the security, the EC ladies at the end, having the ballot paper to really monitor them. And moreover, the way they've turned the ballot boxes, you can't see them. I'm not saying we should see the vote they are cast. That's not my concern. But my problem is when the vote is being cast, no one should take snap of it. Even to take snap of it, what is the purpose? To just go and take money. And I don't have money. If it is you going to take money, fine. Or we catch the next person. Oh, my contra my way or my miska. Maybe it's not the person you're going to vote for. But because we are called this kind, to also go use the same venue, snap the picture, and go and take money. Me patro ma they reported in enya wa ha me fita no pa. Ye ntina se enya dede kwake. They report my police no. What are they doing about it? One person omo ye na ye ho ansana asamaba. Because this thing election have been smooth. What do with you? That's what they do. Any problem? You give them the food, but not when they are in the queue. You go there. I know they come. You go there, hug them. You go there, hug them in the line, and give them the food when they are going to vote. What is your plan? What is your intention? That is what we are raising issues about. And we don't have any concern issue about that. But the vote inducement now, my and only an issue this morning.
Mejidi se wahu de eko omo mugina ho ni bi nso na e kire se no ade enti na sabre na wo ba be che aduane na omo kra bi no e ka se ode aduane ne ma wie no haage wa no asan di sika e de ahye won nsam a eno nso akoye enzem bebre na sabre de Hobson yaovi adoye ye papa Hobson adoye nyina nim so ye afafanto na okọ abonten sabre ya ade aya na ekaseti ase enkoto aba no entwa emfa mekire kofo bebre na NDC ne MPP fo no o ma hyase a omo eye and me sure say yes ye na security personnel fo na eto o maba enti mu security fo no na mu twa de kire no MPP NDC mu koto aba na no matwa na mu de aba be kire enti on the 7th settlement mu ni bi koye bia obetumi akasa obeche na na mu amomo bomra no ho ban no mu nimra no mu mafiase eye we enti so obi koye bia mo beba bonte aba be condemn anasa mo be yeden well ti sabram no kasa ide omo nso afiase a wo mo show so kotoma NDC anu atwa no de abekire okotoma MPP a no no nso atwa no de aba abekire na hope sena do ye de na ono nso akire se ono no okoye no amfa ma obi aso de kotima fafanto a ono kra de wa post wo ni social media handler o kire se ono de ala na ekwa awakoto de amano na ensemi a ekoswe sabram no ka se ma Lydia Alhasan current MP waba ababa bechirim se ono wamfa ne bone na no hunu se obi ejina line mu anasa se kom de obi a se ebi kura no obi ba ha no pa ne komde no ebi ane nsu komde obi na oso no kura na aduane chane koso kura mpo no I think so say no oni ho sesen oso no oni ho she wasn't around enunti mo mfa ne bone na ase NDC for intimidation ni ade but so no obi intimidate no osi free tete besi na obi na no ane edidi na tem ni ade nyina oda so still oda so Lydia Alhasan Lydia nso akasa moma yenko honorable na yenko enkotie ensema ono nso ekaye.
So supporters of your opponent are saying that your people are sharing food to induce voters.
Why is it that they will not mind their business and they are always trying to attack me? They always do this, and here I am. By the grace of God, I have the temperament that is able to contain all of this. So they do all this, and I am the leader that I am. They try to do all things against me.
The whole queue no is important. Omo test. Me GD say obi a test na say command in store I wasn't here. If you know exactly what happened, but if it's about snack, now one more, there's no more snack, there's no more water. It's about that
Now, talking about your team, the concern has been that why would your team share food while voters are in the queue?
I wasn't here. I don't know if you saw me here. I've been here since I came here before 6 a.m. and I left here a few minutes ago. I don't even know what you're talking about. I am yet to find out from them what happened. Thank you.
Now back here, security man be na Olegon. Emma na ukuta emone anwa. Na it was alleged sema Lydia ena ede Emma no eye MPP parliamentary candidate a owon pesuane so ena ede ma no Emma obeka se ono onton na dwene onton ne conscience na 8 years ni nyina no wanya hwe nya afia eba beto aba ena ade mo ne anwa eba be dada no nto no de obeto aba na ko ba bia e wo so oto ede ko.
You say who give you this right?
It's Lydia. The whole of 8 years, this is the thing he can give.
So for the past 8 years, you've never received
never received anything from Lydia apart from this one.
Oh, but you are in this constituency.
I'm in this constituency. I vote at Balishi.
Oh, this is so bad, though.
that is politics for you. This is cheap politics.
Hey.
Me, I can't take this thing and vote for you.
Okay.
So if because of this thing you are giving to buy me, you lie.
Okay.
My vote is not coming to you.
Okay, Ebusian, you heard it right.
Na eba ya no na yete se achiri. Sa security man no yaba ba be china yede na sha pick up bi mu a yede na ekosi yede na ekwan si yede na ekwan but it was alleged sema Lydia e na asoma.
For evidence sake. 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 If he comes back and starts his own with him, we'll video everybody. Video everybody. Video the number plate and everything. With the video in case of something. Yeah, we have video.
Ma Lydia said Debbie. On soma obi a. Osi di enti no be sa na man no kra no. Wo hwe ni mfia wanyini chai no. Ti di enti. Ena obi anso woni opinion. Obia ewo ni democracy obia betimi express baby a opeso oto na abako enti eno ne de ma manfo emfa no no onim ho hwe onsoma obia se obia nkochi obia enti yenyan sobo na ye de ebo no yenyan sa sobo na ye de ebo no kra.
Recently let me try to address this here. The gentleman that is on viral video talking about me giving him rice, he's an NDC executive. I didn't come out to say anything about it because we are 5 or 1 week into the elections. I wouldn't do anything to mark the hard work that I put into this. But they always mention my name and they always try to destroy my hard-earned reputation. I have taken enough. I have really taken enough. But I thank God for the temperament that He has given me, and I'll continue doing my good work. The constituents know the value of their MP. They know how hard I have worked, the developmental project that I brought to this constituency, and for me, That is a heartwarming. They respond back to me. The feedback that I get from them keeps me going. So I try as much as possible not to respond to all their propaganda and all that. The guy is certain me, looking at me with this kind of temperament. Would I go and say that I am arresting someone for saying something against me? We are in a country that we have freedom of speech, freedom of association. So if they have had and put on social media that I have caused someone to be arrested, how can I cause the arrest of someone, an elderly person who is almost close to his pension? For what reason? Insult when never insulted me or promo. And then for someone saying that he's not voting for me because of that, I'll go and have the person arrested. I am not that kind of person. I am not that kind of person. We have freedom of speech in this country. We practice freedom of association, and I preach that everywhere I go. And I preach peace. I bring message of peace to this election. All that they do against me, I continue to say to my team, let's maintain the peace that we have enjoyed. Let's keep calm and let's go through this election peacefully.
Ebusian for nsama me de be som no eno no election de be to fom bia no ye de be bro kama pa nti wo de ne say you keep your eyes on this very channel Djka Nyan Support TV na afi no de be koso bia nso ye de bro make sure say obe subscribe and press the notification button for more uploads. Afi so wo abroche na wo send this card ya bagana kai say you do pay money transfer and no was say we use who download the application I will send this car but me promo code Djka na fashion who the chebu we are they will send their bread Ghana into the capre also I will send the Nubenya 5 city square at the account sika jupe I am ansai boa for me that's it my crowd so j bre now share me bye bye.